What have been technically some of the challenges, but also the opportunities that you're seeing, especially how much is changing with AI so quickly? What are you seeing from a technical side of things?
Yeah, so definitely the advent of large language models, that really accelerated our progress. Like, we've been AI first since the start. We built our own AI models and our own AI algorithms to run and automate our technology, but all of a sudden you now have LLMs behind the scenes that are kind of like the engine or the platform that you're building on top of, and the rate of innovation of those is incredible. So we're layering that into our survey design, into our analysis, but we get that automatic improvement because we build what we call LLM ops, where basically we are able to, whenever a new model comes out, we test it against all the other models based on the data we're using, and whichever one performs best, we hotspot in. So we get this constant automatic innovation without having to invest in it ourselves. So that's been incredible and really accelerated us kind of maybe 2 years ago.
I think that's like the way I think about it is that the problem hasn't changed in what we're trying to solve, just the tools we are using to deliver the solution has changed quite a lot. So we were trying to do a lot of this ourselves. It was really difficult because we were trying to okay, how do we do survey design using technology instead of people? Like, that was a highly complex problem to try and figure out. And then suddenly you could fine tune a model to try and replicate how do you design a survey, what does a good survey look like, and how can you retrieve that? Similar on the analysis. So it's accelerated kind of our journey towards our desired outcome. And that's been just, as I said, sometimes you're better off being lucky and than good. Timing matters a lot with companies, and when the AI kind of wave and then when things started to improve, we found ourselves with a foundational set of customers. We were profitable, making quite a lot of money for our size, and we're able to invest quickly, be agile with our clients so that they could test and co-create stuff with us and try and solve actual problems with AI. Whereas there's a lot of kind of, as you say, hype and what does it actually do for me? And yeah, it's kind of a better search. That's kind of what people materialize it as. Whereas for us, we were able to go very practically with solutions to everyday problems, and they just want us to use it. They still want the same problem solved. However, whatever technology we use to solve it, they don't really mind. And I think that's kind of an important thing for me on the commercial side, because people are a bit scared of it, going, oh, well, if I open the door, are you going to run through and then suddenly I don't have a job? Whereas it's actually just a means to solving the problem for us.
Right.